Inflammatory bowel disease. What are the symptom causes and natural remedies? Inflammatory bowel disease is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing a long term inflammation of the digestive tract. Now, this group of disorders primarily includes the Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, each impacting the gastrointestinal GI tract differently, but both leading to severe symptoms that can significantly affect the quality of your life. Let us first understand what is inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. IBD refers to the group of intestinal disorders that cause prolonged inflammation of the digestive tract. Now, these two main types of Crohn's disease can affect any part of the GI tract from mouth to anus, often involving all layers of the bowel wall. Ulcerative colitis now usually affects only the innermost lining of the colon and rectum. IBD should not be confused with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, which is a functional disorder and can does not cause inflammation or damage to the intestines. Let us talk about the symptoms of IBD. Now, the symptoms of IBD vary based on the type and the severity of the condition, but commonly include the persistent diarrhea, abdominal pain and cramping, blood in the stool, unintended weight loss, fatigue and weakness, urgent need to defecate, fever, especially in the Crohn's disease, and loss of appetite. What are the causes and the risk factors? While the exact cause of IBD is still not fully understood, it is believed to result from a combination of genetic, environmental, and immunological factors. First is genetic susceptibility. Now, the people with the family history of IBD are at higher risk. Several genes have been linked to the development of Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. Immune system malfunction. Our normal immune response may cause the body to attack its own intestinal lining when triggered by bacteria or viruses. Number 3 is the environmental triggers. Pollution, diet, certain medications like NSAIDs and smoking, especially for Crohn's disease, are believed to play a role in triggering or worsening the IBD. Gut microbiota imbalance and unhealthy gut flora can lead to increased inflammation and may be linked to the onset of IBD. Stress and mental health. Though not a direct cause, chronic stress and anxiety can worsen the symptoms and affect disease progression. Let's talk about some of the natural remedies and lifestyle approaches that you can take. So, a natural or medical treatment including anti-inflammatory drugs, immunosuppressants, or surgery is often necessary. Many patients find relief through natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments that support their gut health and reduce the inflammation. So, the first one is some anti-inflammatory diet, that is a gut-friendly diet can reduce the flare-ups and support the healing. Consider the following, like the omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in walnuts, flaxseed, fish, reduce inflammation. Go with some low FODMAP foods that helps to avoid the gut irritants. Bone broth soothes the gut lining. Go with cooked vegetables like easier to digest than raw. Go with probiotic rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut support healthy gut flora. Now you have to avoid the processed foods, sugar and refined carbohydrates, dairy for some individuals, gluten for sensitive patients. You can go with some herbal remedies also. For that, you need to take the turmeric, which consists of curcumin, natural anti-inflammatory. Slippery L soothes the gut lining. Go with aloe vera gel, which is gentle on the digestive tract. Go with Boswellia serrata, now that reduces the intestinal inflammation. Go with some peppermint oil that may relieve some cramping and bloating also. So always consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbals, especially if you are already on a medication. Stress management. Chronic stress can worsen your IBD symptoms. Adopt techniques like yoga and meditation, mindfulness practices, breathing exercise, regular physical activity, spending time in the nature. Go for some probiotics and gut health. Like probiotics can help restore your healthy gut bacteria. Consider supplements with lactobacillus or bifidobacterium strains, or consume fermented foods regularly. Hydration and rest is also important. So drink plenty of clean filtered water. Get 7 to 8 hours of 9 quality sleeper at night and avoid alcohol and caffeine during the flare-ups. Lifestyle tips for managing IBD naturally is eat smaller, more frequent meals, keep a food diary to track the triggers, avoid late night eating, do light exercise like walking and stretching, build a supportive network, talk to people who understand IBD. Conclusion is that inflammatory bowel disease is a serious but manageable condition. With the right balance of medical treatment and remedies and lifestyle change, individuals can lead a healthy and an active life. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do like for more upcoming videos on fitness and health content.